Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove the alternator on Nissan Micra 1.2 petrol. The alternator on this car is located on the front of the engine, here on the front left of the engine. It's located right there. We can see the serpentine belt is located on the side of the engine. Before removing the alternator, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. But before removing the serpentine belt, we're going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. To remove the serpentine belt, we're going to go underneath the car because there is more access to the serpentine belt from there. In order to get better access, we need to remove this wheel arch liner. We're not going to remove the whole wheel arch liner, we're just going to remove the front part of it and then move it to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we have access to the serpentine belt. We can see on this car there is two serpentine belts. To remove this serpentine belt, this is the belt tensioner. We need to loosen this bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then there is another bolt which we need to turn in order to loosen the tension on the belt. This is the bolt right there, this long bolt right there. After we loosen the bolt on the pulley, then we should be able by hand to turn this bolt and loosen the tension on the tensioner. So first to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley. Now that the bolt on the tensioner pulley is loosened, I'm going to turn the bolt on the back of the tensioner to loosen the tension. This is the size socket 13 that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be turning the bolt by hand. It's very easy to turn. Once turning the bolt, you'll see how the tension on the belt will loosen, and then we'll be able to remove the belt. We can see the belt is now loosened, so now we can remove the belt. Next, we need to remove the tensioner. To remove the tensioner, there is two bolts holding it, one there and one there. We remove those bolts and remove the tensioner. And that's the tensioner out. Now that the tensioner is removed, we have access to the lower bolt of the alternator. That's the bolt right there that we need to remove on the bottom. That's the lower bolt of the alternator removed, but it's a very long bolt, so we're not going to be able to remove it completely. We just let it stay there. Next we're going to remove this air intake hose, and now we're going to remove the electrical connector for the alternator and also the power cable, which is behind this red cover, behind this red cap, and it's size 13 socket. That's the electrical connector and the power cable removed. Now next we're going to remove the upper bolt of the holding the alternator. That's the upper bolt removed. Now I'm going to get a pry bar and pry out the alternator from its place. I'm going to take out the alternator from the top, from here, but in order to be able to remove it from the top, this AC line is in the way. So in order to move this AC line to the side, I need to remove the 3 bolts holding the AC compressor, and then push the AC compressor to the side, and the AC line will go to the side. The AC compressor is held by 3 bolts, one on top, one on the bottom, and one on the side. We're not going to disconnect the AC lines, just the 3 bolts holding it, and then we'll move the AC compressor to the side, and this way we'll have space on top to take out the alternator. And now that the AC compressor is free, we can move this AC line to the side and take out the alternator. And as the alternator out, putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.